Do you feel stuck in a rut? Are you tired of the daily grind? The alarm clock screams. You drag yourself to a job you don't love. You work for someone else's dream. The cycle repeats day after day. It doesn't have to be this way. There's a better life out there. You can achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom means having choices. It means controlling your time. It means designing your ideal life. Imagine this: waking up excited. You set your own hours. You work on projects you love. You spend time with family and pursue passions. This is the power of escaping the 9-to-5. Leaving the 9-to-5 is not about getting rich quick. It's about building lasting wealth. It's about creating a life you control. It's about achieving financial security for you and your loved ones. This journey starts with a single step. Are you ready to take control? This journey won't be easy. It takes courage, discipline, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards are more than worth it. Are you ready to break free from the chains of the 9-to-5? Let's dive in and explore the path to financial freedom. Escaping the 9-to-5 begins in your mind. It's a shift from employee to entrepreneur. It's about taking ownership of your future. Your mindset is your most powerful asset. Change the way you think about money and success. Stop trading time for money. Instead, build assets that generate income. Think long-term. Delayed gratification is key. Invest in yourself, your education, and your future. Break free from the instant gratification trap. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Embrace the power of compounding. Small, consistent actions lead to extraordinary results over time. Believe in your ability to build wealth. You are capable of amazing things. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process. Change your mindset, and you'll change your life. Get ready to embrace the exciting possibilities that await you. Playing it safe keeps you trapped. Stepping outside your comfort zone is essential. Embrace calculated risks. Don't be reckless, be strategic. Do your research and make informed decisions. Investing always involves risk, but not investing is even riskier. Inflation erodes your savings over time. Don't let fear paralyze you. Start small, learn, and gradually increase your risk tolerance. Diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different asset classes. Real estate, stocks, bonds, and businesses each offer unique opportunities. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced setbacks. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. Learn from your mistakes and come back stronger. Embrace the challenge and watch your wealth grow. Section 4. Never stop learning, never stop growing. The world is constantly changing. Commit to lifelong learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars. Invest in your financial education. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of finance. Seek out mentors and learn from their experiences. Surround yourself with successful people. Their energy and knowledge will inspire you. Network with like-minded individuals. Collaboration breeds success. The more you learn, the more you earn. Stay ahead of the curve by embracing new technologies and trends. The digital age offers incredible opportunities for wealth creation. Don't be afraid to adapt and evolve. Continuously seek new information and skills. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. Embrace the journey of learning and watch your potential soar. Section 5. Building your empire, multiple streams of income. Don't rely on a single source of income. Diversify your earnings. Create multiple streams of revenue. This reduces risk and accelerates your path to financial freedom. One popular path is through real estate. Rental properties provide passive income and appreciate over time. Dividend-paying stocks offer another avenue. Invest in established companies. Receive quarterly or annual payments. Watch your money grow while you sleep. The online world is full of opportunities. Start an online business. Sell products or services. Become a freelancer. Content creation is booming. Share your expertise through blogging, videos, or podcasts. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless. Choose avenues that align with your interests and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and freedom.